Hello again from Ogs Mechanics workshop with another interesting job. Today we've got a Fiat 500X. This vehicle has came into us for a non-running with starting issue. We have investigated the problem. We already concluded to be body control module going down. Basically we had no communication. This is the old unit. We already stripped it, and what we have noticed in it, we had water ingress. Now this body control module is the unit located here under the glove box. For some reason, which we haven't found yet, somehow the car had some water ingress in it and has caused condensation on the board, which eventually has caused the unit to go down. Now we're gonna show you, we're gonna have a better view with light here on the bench. So this is the section. If it can be seen, those white points, they indicate corrosion. Used to be a lot more, but we've cleaned lots of it, hoping that the communication can be restored. However, the unit it seems that it's completely down, and the way to rectify this problem was to get a new body control module, which we already have. It was a part from the main dealer, and the only way to get it programmed is with Fiat tool, the Fiat tool online. The unit is already programmed. The car is back up and running. So yeah, this was the situation today with this Fiat 500. An interesting job. Water ingress, water and electrics, definitely they don't go well together, and this is one of the situations. So again, here in Ogs Mechanics, we cover repairs from general servicing up to dealer level coding and programming, as it is the case today. Ogs Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.